Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for doing that. Okay, today we're going to list some directories and we're going to get the file sizes as well. So I'm going to start off by creating a function, list directories. Okay, and we're going to create the path. So for me, the path is C users mark desktop. So that's my file path to my desktop. Yours will be different, so if you type in this code that I've typed in here, it won't work on your machine, so you will have to get the unique file path to your desktop. Okay, so we're going to use OS-CHDIR change directory, and we want to change directory to that file path above. That's where we want to be. Okay, we're going to create a variable called list directory, and we're going to assign it to os.list directory and the path, which is above. And now we're going to print files are. Okay, and then it's going to be list directory. Okay, so we should be able to print out all the files, and then we're going to print another message to the user to tell the user what we're going to do, and that's going to be get size. Okay, and then we're going to do a variable entry is equal to input, so we're going to get some full file names. We want the user to type in the full file name here that we want the size of, and then this is going to be size is equal to os.path.get size of the entry. So I'm going to do this example with a text file, so we're just going to type in the full file name, so it could be something like text.txt, and then this is going to grab the full size of that file, and then we're going to print it out to the user. So file size is, and then it's going to be size. Okay, all we have to do now is to call the function list directories, like that, and save it. But first we're going to have a look at a file here. So I've got a file on the desktop. I had a file on the desktop. Let's create a file on the desktop. Let's say a text document, something like that. Okay, I'm just going to open that. I'm going to type in this is some text, and we're going to save as, we're going to save it on the desktop. Let's have a look. Text, we'll save it as text, save, and there it is. We'll just get rid of this one so we don't get confused. So we're going to put it there, and now what we're going to do is we're going to run this. Save, run it. Okay, so it's taken us to this place here, and it's printed out all the files on here. So I'm going to print in the new file, which was it test or text? It's text. Okay, so I'm going to print in that. So text.txt. Okay, full size is 18, so that'd be kilobytes. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.